body is made of 5 great elements, lives among these 5 great elements and dissolves in the same 5 great elements. Once upon a time, when we used to live in an atmosphere built by the nature, we used to experience pure air, clean food and healthy freedom. When the thought of a house struck us, we have been continuously distancing ourselves from nature, our life standard becoming weak when we surround ourselves with the 4 walls, distancing ourselves from living amidst nature and utilizing all its benefits which made us healthy. To overcome this weakness, scientific research and invention aided us. Unfortunately, these research and innovations started to turn out as curse. Pure air became toxic, water got polluted, and the soil started to change, resulting in the birth of unnamed diseases which started haunting the human body. Medicines were invented to cure these diseases. At first, we started consuming these medicines, and later the medicine-turned-drugs started consuming the medicines. Now we are at the stage where medicines and drugs have started to take us as sacrifices. Apart from that, our present modern lifestyle has separated us from nature and has imprisoned us in the concrete jungle. Isn't there any solution when we are all facing such heinous problems? If yes, then the answer is called nature. Yes, apart from going back to nature, our problems don't have a solution. But how is it possible? If there is a question haunting us about who would take us back to nature, then the answer is here. Sri Rudra Nature Health's LifeAtNature. Do you have a desire to find the solution to all your health problems without any side effects? Do you have the excitement to stop using those medicines and drugs causing side effects and quit them permanently? Do you have the desire to find the solution among yourself to the health issues which are a burden to your pockets? Do you wish to get away from health problems and step into a healthy lifestyle? Over 2 decades of successful experience in Naturopathy and Ayurveda, Dr. Praveen Jacob, Dr. Muralidhar and Dr. Chaitra Pandit, who have been treating lakhs of patients with perfect solution, have come together in the form of LifeAtNature. Your nature is your future. Brainchild of Sri Rudra Nature Health. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Press bell button for healthy notification. Like us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And please do visit our official website www.lifeatnature.com. Come join us. Let's all stay healthy. Your nature is your future.